Good afternoon, everybody, and thank you for watching our videos constantly and showing your support and love for this channel. So, this video clip, I'm specially adding to this video for the new viewers who have joined our channel very recently and they don't know about this channel. So, basically, Swara Homeo Clinic and Gurukul. This channel is dedicated to homeopathy, how to apply homeopathic science for benefiting our patients as well as how to uplift as a person. So basically, with this concept, we have formulated this Swara Homeo Gurukul workshop, which is you can say that it's a brainchild of Dr. Shekhar Alvindi sir. And from past 10 years, we are doing these workshops in the serene, picturesque environment of Gurukul, which is situated in Devruk city, which is nearby to Sangameshwar. The major place which you can know is Ratnagiri. It is in Maharashtra. So we do these workshops 4 times in a year, generally in the month of March, May, September, and December, and it's a week-long workshop. And there are many things that we do in these workshops along with homeopathy. The basic thing about this workshop is, getting the hands-on training about practical utility of applying art of homeopathic case taking for the doctors, especially the practitioners and those who have started their clinic very recently. So we do this guided case taking sessions. They are like, the epitome of learning in these workshops. Along with that, there are many activities that we do which incorporate the team spirit, which incorporate that people interact with each other. There are group discussions, there are debates, there are competitions such as case presentation competitions, scholarship, by which one can develop himself or herself as a person also and as a homeopath also. So I welcome you all to have this visual journey of the September Gurukul workshop, which we recently concluded. So we will be sharing the bits and parts about each day's activity that we did for the past 7 days. And I welcome you all to visually see all the glimpses, and please pour in your love and keep showering your love on this channel. Thank you very much. And also, please do not forget to pass on this message to all your friends and colleagues. Maybe because there are many people who don't even know about such kind of one of its own kind of Gurukul, homeopathic Gurukul, where you can come as a retreat for your own self. From your busy practice, you can take a time off to be in the nature and learn homeopathy as well. So please pass on this message to your colleagues as well, so that they can take benefit of witnessing, experiencing this Swaraj Homeopathic Gurukul, which I must say that at least once in life, every homeopath should experience this Homeopathic Gurukul, our very own Homeopathic Gurukul, which is very close to the heart of each and every homeopath. So let's watch.